Today I am introducing Oppo A83 with all its specs, features and price. So see full video and don't forget about subscribing, and must hit like, thanks. Oppo A83 is releasing in January 2018. Oppo A83 has dual SIM, Nano-SIM and dual standby. Oppo A83 has IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. A83 has 5.7 inches large screen. And also multi-touch. Oppo A83 has Android 7.1, Nougat. CPU of A83 is Octa-core 2.5 GHz Cortex-A53, and 256 GB memory card is sported, and internal memory of A83 is 32 GB, with 3 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM. Oppo A83 has 13-megapixel back camera with autofocus, and LED flash. Geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR and panorama are features of A83. It has 8-megapixel front camera. Sensors of Oppo A83 are accelerometer, proximity, and compass. It has non-removable Li-lon 3180 mAh battery, and A83 is available in champagne and black colors, and price of Oppo A83 is €200.
Thanks for watching. Must like the video and also subscribe our channel for watching more upcoming videos.